everybody. Today we are going to make the variables the subject of the equation. Making subject literally means to take that specific variable that we want to make the subject to one side of the equation, and everything else, whether it be the coefficients, the constants, the variables, to the other side of the equation. I think there's no specific concept you need to learn about it. So I just got some questions which we will have to solve. So the first question we have is okay, so the first question is, we have to make x the subject in the equation, which is, let's just label it to question number 1. Y equals x plus 5. Now we have to take this x because in the question it is written make x the subject. So we have to take x to the one side of the equation and everything else, like this 5, to the other side of the equation. So we can take this 5 to the other side of the equation, and as it's a rule, to change the sign when we move something to the other side of the equation, so it will become minus 4 and y minus 5 equals x. Now we've made the x the subject. We can simply write x on one side of the equation and y minus 5 on the second side of the equation. Okay, so let's move on to the second question. Question number 2. The equation is x equals y minus 3. In this question, x is the subject, but we have to make y the subject. So we can move this minus 3 to the other side of the equation, and it will become plus 3. So x plus 3 equals y. And y equals x plus 3. Y is the subject. Now question number 4. Question number 3. Question number 3, which is make b the subject. A equals b plus 4. Let's move this plus 4 to the other side. It will become minus 4. So we can simply write b equals a minus 4. The next question, question number 4, which is make, wait a second. Yeah, so I skipped this question. Okay, in this question we have to make a the subject, b equals a plus 2. b equals a plus 2. Now this is question number 4 and question number 3. So b equals a plus 2. We want the a the subject. This will move to the other side and become minus 2. So a equals b minus 2. And the last question of this video, I will cover the other 10 questions in the next practice video. So last question, question number 5, which is make x the subject. 3x plus 2. X plus 2 equals y. And we have to make x the subject here. So first I can move this plus 2 to the other side of the equation. So 3x equals y minus 2. If it's plus here, on the other side the sign will be minus. Now 3 is being multiplied here. When it will go to the other side of the equation, it will be divided. So x equals y minus 2 divided by 3. We can keep this our answer. So I think this is these questions are enough for today. If you want more practice, you can watch my practice video. I'll share that in a few days, inshallah. So Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video.